This is part 1 of learning mechatronics. If you want to build cool stuff like Tony Stark, build robots, or learn how to 3D print, this is the series for you. So just open up Onshape, which is a 3D modeling software, and create a folder like so. Name it whatever you want and then get started. So you go and create a document and name your document whatever and store it in your mechatronics folder. We're going to name this document episode 1. Now, this is a basic model that we're going to learn to create from the website. Welcome to Too Tall Toby. Link in the description or in the comment section below. So, you want to go to your sketch that's given over there. Now, you want to create a center point rectangle from your sketch and then just specify your dimensions. Now, once you're done with that, what you want to do is open up your isometric view by clicking Shift 7 and then use the extrude feature, which is what you use to give it depth, and specify the dimensions according to the file given. Now that you've extruded the thing, we need to give it that fillet or those rounded edges like in the file given. So what we're going to do is just click on the fillet option, click on the radius option, and then specify the distance that you need and just click on all the edges, and you'll see you can get a beautiful fillet like this. Now after this, we need to get the hollow part that we've seen in the file, and what we're going to use is the shell feature, which will basically create like a gap or a hole in your file. So you just specify 1.6 centimeters or 16 mm and you get a beautiful part. But now we need to find the weight of it, and as you can see, we can't see the mass of it. Why? Because we really haven't specified a material. So what you need to do is go to the Onshape library. So first click on the part and go to assign material. Now just go to the Onshape material library, and as you can see, it's ABS mentioned in the challenge. So we're going to go to the material library and just import the material library to our file. And as you can see, we can click on ABS. It just shows all the densities, etc, etc. Just click on ABS, and now you can go to calculating your weight. And as you can see, once you click on the part, when you go to the calculate the dimensions feature, once you go to that part, just click on your object, and as you can see, we get the weight as 0.009 pounds. Now we need it in grams according to the website, so we're just gonna go and copy paste it into Google. There is a feature of just setting everything to the metric system, which I will show you in the next part. So as you can see, we've obtained our weight in grams. Now what we're going to do is just copy paste it into the website, and as you can see, we are right. That's it for today. See you tomorrow. Let's follow for part 2.